The title of the three brothers. There were once three brothers who traveled
Along,
a lo-
along,
a long, le-
lonely,
lonely, winding road at twilight in
pag
time
may, pag may tuldok, winding road at twilight. So, stop ka, okay? Oh, in time,
the brothers
reach,
reached a river to cliff
deep,
a deep to
wade,
wade
through,
through and too the
dangerous,
dangerous to swim
across.
across.
However,
However, these
brothers
brothers were
learned
learned in the art and
magical
magical art and so they is
sim
simply wa-
wave
wave thrive
there,
their once
and
and made a
yes,
bridge appear across the tre-
treacherous,
treacherous
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 water
water they who
were
were
halfway
halfway across it. Then
when
when they found the,
their
their
path
path blocked by a hold, a
hooded,
hooded figure, and
it was
it
death.
was then
Death.
death. He was angry that he had been cheated out of three new
Victims.
for travelers usually drowned in the river, but that was
Cunning.
cunning. He
Pretended.
pretended to congratulate the three brothers upon their magic and
Said.
said that each had
Earned.
earned a prize from
For
for
being
being
clever enough
enough to
evade him.
evade him.
Okay.
So the old brothers oldest brother who was a
Combative.
combative man asked for I
Wand. Wand.
want more power that
Powerful
powerful that
than
I done
in
any
existence.
existence.
A wand.
A wand that must always win but
Battles. Yes.
battles for its owner. A wand worthy of a wizard who had come
conquered
death,
death
so death had crossed to the
to
eld-
an
I took an elder tree on the bank of the river, fashioned a wand from a branch that
had
had
hung
hung tree and
hung there.
hung there and give it to the oldest brother. Then the second brother, who was an
Arrogant
arrogant man, decided that he wanted to humiliate
death
death still further and ask for the power to recall all the others from death. So death picked up a stone from the riverbank and gave it to the second brother and told him
told him that
the stone would
have
have the powers to bring back the
the
dead.
dead. Finally,
Death returned to the third brother, a humble man. He asked for something what
that would
would enable him to go forth from the place without being followed by death. And so it was the death
reluctantly
hand, handed over his own
cloak
of
invisibility
invisibility in due
course
the brothers separated each for his
own
own this
destination.
The first brother traveled for a week or more and
Reaching
reaching the distant village through sought out
fellow
fellow wizard whom
with whom
with whom he had a
quarrel. Naturally,
with the elder one, as he wept his weapon, he could not fail to win the duel that followed,
that
leaving his enemy dead upon the floor. Elder brother, eldest brother proceeded to an inn where
He
he
boasted.
boasted of the powerful wand which he had
Snatch
snatched from death himself, and of how it made him
invincible.
invincible. That very night, another wizard
Crept
crept upon,
crept
crept upon
oldest
oldest brother as he lay wine sudden upon his bed. The
if
if
thief
a thief looked the wand, and from good
for
for good measure steal
slit
I slit the oldest brother's
throat.
throat, and so death look
Took
I took the first brother
for
for him
for his own.
for his own man. Meanwhile, the second brother
Journeyed
journeyed to his own home,
where he
wherein-
lived alone.
where he lived alone.
Here
Here he
took yan.
took out
Oo.
the stone which had the power to recall the dead and turn it thrice in his
hand.
hand to base
To his
to his
amazement,
and before him
delight, ito muna. Yan. Delight.
like the figure of the girl he had
Once
I once hoped to marry before her in the
untimely
death appeared at once
before
before
him.
him, yet she had
Sad
sad
and cold.
and cold rest,
Separated
separated from him as
though
though by a
veil.
thought,
Though
she had a
returned
to the mortal world, she did not really truly belong
there
and
suffered
finally, and second brother driven hard by
mad
mad by hopeless
longing
longing, killed himself so
as
as to
truly
truly join her, and so death
took
I
took T yun T ito T ganyan siya, hindi siya L. Took
the second brother
for
for
his
own.
but
those share
death
that
search
search for the third brother for many years. He was never able to find him. It was only when he had
attained
the great age that the youngest brother finally took off the
Cloak.
cloak of invincibility and gave it to
His.
his son, and
Then,
there
then
he great
greeted
greeted the death as on the
as an
as an old
old friend.
friend
Went
when with him
gladly
and as a
equals
equal they departed this life.
Okay, very good. Tignan mo yung mga mali mo. I-check natin kapag yan, No. Sa susunod na session, i-check natin. Oh. Mainit ba, George? Mainit? Hindi ko mamaya nagkipa. Wait lang. Basahin muna natin isa-isa, no? Para sa susunod, alam mo na. Ano basa dito? Along. Very good. Ito. Lonely. Ano ulit to?
Alone.
Along.
Alone.
Ito.
Lonely.
Very good. Ito. Rich lang. Rich. Okay, dito na. Ano ulit to?
Alone.
Very good. Ito.
Lonely.
Ito.
Rich.
Rich ang basa dyan, ha? Rich. Ito.
Deep.
Very good. Ito.
Wide.
Ang wide, ganito siya. W-I-D-E. Okay? Wide, yan. Pag wade naman, W-A-D-E. Ito yung wade. Okay? Tapos ito. True. Kasi may R siya, kaya true. Okay? Ano ulit to?
Alone.
Along. Pag yung sinasabi mo na alone, ganito siya. A-L-O-N-E. E ito. G. Kaya along. Okay? Along. Ito.
Lonely.
Ito.
Rich.
Very good. Ito.
Deep.
Ito.
Wide.
Very good. Ito.
True.
Ayan. True. Tapos, ano pa? Ito.
Dangerous.
Very good. Ito. However. Ano ulit to?
However.
Ito.
Dangerous.
Ito.
However.
Very good. However. Then, ito. Learned. Ito. Magical. Very good. Ito. Wave. Ano ulit yan?
Wave.
Ito. Dare. Ito. Treacherous. Treacherous. Ano ulit to?
Treacherous.
Very good. Ito.
Where.
Ito.
Halfway.
Very good. Ito.
When.
Very good. Ito. There. Very good. Ito.
Path.
Very good. Ito. Hooded. Ito.
There.
Very good. Ito.
Cheated.
Cheated. Cheated.
cheated,
Ano ulit yan?
cheated,
Eto.
as
Usually.
usually,
Usually. Very good. Eto.
money,
C yan, C. Cunning.
cunning,
Yan. Eto.
pretended,
Very good. Pretended.
pretended,
Eto. Congratulate.
congratulate,
Congratulate.
congratulate,
Very good. Eto.
said,
Very good. Eto. Hindi. E yan. E. A. Earned.
earned,
Earned. Eto.
being,
Being. Eto. Enough.
enough,
Enough.
enough,
Very good. Eto.
oldest,
Oldest. Pag E yung nasa simula niya, eldest yan. Des, ganyan ang eldest. Okay? Pag oldest naman, des. Pag eldest, E. Pag oldest, O. Okay? Ano ulit yan?
oldest,
Very good. Eto.
combative,
Eto.
powerful,
Very good. Eto.
done,
Very good. Eto.
existence,
Existence. Very good. Eto.
owner,
Very good. Eto.
worried,
Worthy.
worthy,
Very good. Eto.
conquered,
Conquered. Very good. Eto.
first,
Fashioned.
fashioned,
Eto. Hang.
hung,
Okay. Eto. Arrogant.
arrogant,
Eto.
decided,
Decided. Eto. Humiliate. Ano ulit yan?
humiliate,
Very good. Eto. Ano
Death.
ulit to? Very good. Eto.
figure,
Further.
further,
Ang figure ganito siya. F-I-G-U-R-E. Ganyan ang figure. Pag ganito naman, further. Further. Very good. Eto.
on
Others. Eto.
have,
Very good. Wait lang. Sindi ko lang yung electric fan. Mainit talaga. Bigat na. Baka mailipad yung paper natin. Hawakan mo yung paper. Thank you. Meron kang hangin dyan? Meron? Wala? Sige. Saan na tayo? Ano ulit to?
have,
Very good. Eto.
humble,
Very good. Eto.
would,
Very good. Eto. Enable. Very good. Eto.
front,
Fort. Ito ang front na sinasabi mo. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Pag F tapos O, fort. Okay? Fort. Ito, front. Ito, fort. Okay? Fort. Ito.
would,
Without. Ito.
reluctantly,
Very good. Reluctantly. Reluctantly.
reluctantly,
Okay. Ito.
humbled,
Handed.
handed,
Very good. Ito.
look,
Cloak.
cloak,
Cloak.
cloak,
Tapos ito.
invincibility,
Okay. Very good. Ito. Yung sinabi ko kanina.
to,
Jew.
Jew,
Jew. Ano ulit to?
Jew,
Ito.
cross,
Course.
course,
Ito ang cross na sinasabi mo. C-R-O-S-S. Cross. Pag ganito, course. Okay? Course. Ano ulit to?
course,
Okay, very good. Ito.
own,
Very good. Ito.
reaching,
Very good. Pag ganito, pag ed,
reach,
reach. Very good. Ito. Pag,
reaching,
okay, very good. Ito.
village,
Very good. Ito.
song,
So.
soft,
So.
soft,
So.
salt,
Very good. Ito.
fellow,
Very good, fellow. Ito.
quarrel,
Quarrel.
quarrel,
Quarrel. Ito.
naturally,
Very good. Ano ulit to?
naturally,
Okay, very good. Ito.
his,
Very good. Ito.
duel,
Duel.
duel,
Ito.
floor,
Ito.
proceeded,
Very good. Ito. Boasted.
boasted,
Ito.
powerful,
Ito. Snatch.
snatch,
Snatch.
snatch,
Very good. Ito. How.
how,
How.
how,
Ito.
invincible,
Very good. Ano ulit yan?
invincible,
Very good. Ito.
creep,
Crab.
crab,
Very good. Ito. Pag O. Ano yung basa dyan pag O?
eldest,
Ang eldest ay E. Paano pag O?
oldest,
Very good. Oldest. Ito.
will,
Wine sudden.
one sudden,
Very good. Ito.
theft,
Thief.
thief,
Thief.
thief,
Ang thief ay magnanakaw. Thief.
thief,
Ito.
four,
Very good. Ito.
steal,
Sleep.
sleep,
Hindi kasi masyado mabasa. Sleep.
sleep,
Ano ulit to pag O?
oldest,
Very good. Ito.
throat,
Throat.
throat,
Ano ang throat? Ito. Ito ang throat. Ito ang throat mo. Very good. Ano ito? T yan. T.
two,
Yan. Very good. Ito ulit. Ano to ulit?
his,
Very good. Ito.
manually,
Meanwhile.
meanwhile,
Meanwhile. Ito.
journey,
Journey.
journey,
Ito. Rice.
rice,
Rice.
rice,
Ito.
his,
His. Very good. Ito. Amazement.
amazement,
Very good. Ito.
delight,
Delight.
delight,
Light. Ito.
one,
Once. Once. Okay? Once. Ito.
untimely,
Untimely.
untimely,
Untimely. Tapos ito. Appeared.
appeared,
Appeared.
appeared,
Ito.
sad,
Very good. Sad. Ito.
separated,
Very good. Ito.
calm,
Do.
I do,
Pag may R, true. Okay? True. Pag walang R, do. Okay? Ano ulit yan?
do,
Ito.
will,
They.
will,
Ito ulit. Ano ulit to? Ano to? Kanina basa niya eh.
go,
Do.
do,
Do. Ito.
return,
Return.
return,
Ito.
truly,
Truly. Very good. Ito.
reveal,
Driven.
reveal,
Tapos ito.
long,
Lo.
long,
Ni.
longing,
Long. Okay. Ito ulit.
really, ay
Truly. Very good. Ito. Ano to ulit? Yung pag walang R.
do,
Very good. Ito.
search,
Search. Oo. Search. Search. Very good. Ito.
read,
Never.
never,
Never. Ito.
was,
Very good. Ito. Attained.
attain,
Attained.
attain,
Very good. Ito.
look,
Float.
look,
Ano ulit to? Ito? Ano ulit to?
invincibility,
Invisibility.
invis,
See?
visibility,
Very good. Tapos, saan to? Ito. Ano yan ulit?
his,
Very good. Ito.
great,
Greeted.
greeted,
Ito.
went,
Very good. Ito.
glad,
Gladly.
gladly,
Ito.
equals,
Equals.
equals,
Ang equals ay ganito. Okay? Equals. Tapos, ito.
departed,
Departed.
departed,
Di ba parang may departed dito? Ito. Pero separated siya. Anong basa dito?
departed,
Ito.
separated,
Very good. Okay? Tapos, wait lang. Pagkatapos nito, mag-spelling tayo, ha? Okay? Alam mo kung sinasabing spelling? Ha? Ang spelling ay, kung yung sasabihin ko ay, pag may sasabihin ako, dapat isulat mo yung tama. Okay? Okay lang kung may hindi ka alam, check natin, ah? Sige, magsulat ka na. Sulat mo yung pangalan mo. Sulat mo yung pangalan mo. Okay, very good. O, number 1, twilight. 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 Dangerous. 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 Sabihin mo pag uulitin ko, ha? Dangerous. Treacherous. Treacherous. Yung binasa lang natin to kanina. Yung mga binasa lang natin to kanina. Next, sabihin mo kung anong number 4. Conquered. Conquered. Tapos na? Sabihin mo kung tapos na. Okay na? Ang number na tayo? Number
Five.
5. Humiliate. 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 Sige lang. Okay na? Okay na? Destination. 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 Okay na po? Number 7. Amazement. 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 Okay na? Invisibility. O, ito yung binasa natin kanina. Invisibility. Invisibility. Okay? Invisibility. Next, attained. 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 Okay na po? Snatch. 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 Okay na po? Snatch. Number 11. Quarrel. Uy, nabasa natin to kanina. Lahat ng mga itong pinapa-spelling ko, binasa natin to kanina, no? 11. Quarrel. 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 Okay na po? Quarrel. Fashion. Number 12. Fashioned. 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 Fashion. Number 13 na. Wine sudden. Uy, nabasa natin to kanina. Wine sudden. Okay na po? Wine sudden. Sabihin mo kung okay na, ah? Wine sudden. Wine sudden. Okay na po? Number 14, untimely. Untimely. Nabasa pa yung hair mo, oh. Untimely. Number 15, reluctantly. 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 Number 16, cunning. 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 Okay na po. Number 17, existence. Uy, basa mo to kanina. Existence. Okay na po. 18, arrogant. 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 Number 19, drowned. Drowned. Okay na po. 20, combative. Combative, combative, combative. Okay na? O, number 1 ulit, twilight. O, check mo yung sagot mo. Number 1, hindi, mamaya. Check mo dyan. O, diba, babasahin ko. Tapos, check mo ha. Number 1, hindi. Check mo. Tingnan mo kung tama yung mga spelling mo. O, twilight. Okay ka na ba dyan sa twilight? Papalitan mo pa ba? Hindi na. Sure ka na dyan? O, number 2, dangerous. Papalitan mo? Number 3, treacherous. Papalitan mo? Hindi. Number 4, conquered. Palitan mo. Sure ka na sa sagot mo? Lahat ba dyan sure ka na sa sagot mo? Check na natin. Okay lang? Okay. George, kung may mali ka dyan, ituturo naman natin kung ano mang spelling, ha? Okay? Sige, check natin. Ano ba yan? Pahiram ako ng twilight. Gantong spelling ng twilight. Po. Twilight. So, mali ka dito. Spelling I, T, anong letter to?
W.
I, L, I, G, H, T. Ganun ang twilight, okay? Dangerous. Ganito ang dangerous, okay? D, A, N, G, E, R, O, U, S. Dangerous. Mali ka, okay? Treacherous. Dapat letter C yun. Para tama ka na. Ano? Tapos, dapat may A dun eh. Mali. Ganito ang spelling ng treacherous, ha? O, conquered. Mali din. Dapat ganitong spelling mo conquered, okay? Tandaan mo lahat tong mga to, no? Para sa susunod na mag-spelling tayo, alam mo na sagot, ano? Conquered. Tignan mo yung conquered. C-O-N-Q-U-E-R-E-D. Okay? humiliate. Okay, mali. Spelling dapat ay Humiliate. Humiliate. Okay? Destination. Destination. Itong destination, okay? Destination. Okay po? Amazement. Tama na sana. Baligtad. Dapat may A ka dito at dapat itong Z nandito. Tama na sana. Amazement. Gantong amazement. Okay po? Invisibility. Ala, tama na sana. Kaso, dapat ayan. Ano? Sa susunod, ayan. Tapos, letter B ito. Letter B na ganito. Okay po? Hindi siya V. No? Invisibility. Attained. Dapat ganitong attained. A-T-T-A-I-N-E-D. Attained. Okay po? Snatch. Ang snatch ay hindi ganito na snatch. Okay po? Ang snatch ay S-N-A-T-C-H-E-D. Snatch. No? Tapos, quarrel. Uy, nabasa natin to kanina eh. Quarrel is Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Okay? Quarrel. Fashioned. F-A-S-H-I-O-N-E-D. Fashion. Okay? Wine sudden. Uy, tama na sana. Medyo malapit na. Ganito ang wine sudden. Okay po? Untimely. Okay? Untimely. Hindi untimely. Okay? Untimely. Reluctantly. Mali. Cunning. Uy, tama sana. Pero kulang ka lang ng N. Existence. Ang existence dapat X. Hindi C. Okay po? No, existence. Arrogant. Arrogant. Kulang ka ng R. Drone. Drone is D-R-O-W-N-E-D. Okay po? Combative. Tama ka na sana eh. Dapat I ito. Tapos, M ito, okay po. Tapos, O ito ha, combative. Okay po? Sa susunod na mag-spelling tayo, dapat alam mo na itong mga to, Ibibigay ko sa itong mga to, dapat i-practice mo yung mga mali mo, okay po? Sige. Tapos, ito, ibibigay ko din sa'yo, George. Ibibigay ko din sa'yo yung ganito. Tapos, kung ano yung mga, George, makinig ka. O yung mga na-underlinean, basahin mo yun ng mabuti, Paturo ka kay mama mo kung hindi mo alam. Opo, basahin mo tong mga to. Ulitin mong mga basahin. Kung may time ka, basahin mo, no? Para sa susunod na session natin, alam mo na sa susunod. Ano? Okay po? Okay. Antok ka na ba, George? Anong ginagawa mo pagkatapos ng ganito? Magse-cellphone ka ba? Magse-cellphone ka? Papauwi ko muna sa'yo to, ha? Sa susunod na session natin, dapat alam mo na, Opo. Papauwi ko sa'yo to. Ito, lahat to. Itong buong story na to, dapat i-practice mo, no? Anong basa pala dito?
Title.
No, it's tale.
Tail.
Ang title, anak, ganito ha. T-I-T-L-E. Ganyan ang title. Okay po? Ito ay tale. Basahin mo nga.
The Tale of the Three Brothers.
Very good. Tale. Okay po? Basta lahat ng na-underlinean, basahin mo ng maayos, Para sa susunod, anak mo na, no? Okay po? Pati mang spelling, Opo. Sa susunod ulit. Okay po? Thank you. You say bye-bye and you say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.